Hi, and welcome back to another story. Today's story is about a lion and the mouse. The sleeping lion. Once upon a time, a mighty lion was sleeping peacefully under a large tree in the forest. A little mouse was running around nearby. While playing, the mouse accidentally ran across the lion's body. The lion woke up suddenly. He was angry. The lion caught the tiny mouse with his huge paw and roared, "How dare you disturb my sleep? I should eat you right now." The little mouse was terrified. He folded his tiny hands and pleaded, "Please forgive me, Mr. Lion. If you let me go, I may help you someday." The lion laughed loudly. "You help me?" But the lion was feeling generous, so he decided to let the mouse go. The mouse thanked the lion and quickly ran away. You were right. Even a small mouse can help a mighty lion. A few days later, the lion was walking through the forest. Suddenly, he got trapped in a hunter's net. The lion tried to escape. He pulled and pushed with all his strength, but the net was too strong. The lion roared loudly for help. His roar echoed throughout the forest. The little mouse heard the lion cry and immediately ran toward the sound. When the mouse saw the lion trapped in the net, he remembered the lion's kindness. Without wasting any time, the mouse began gnawing the ropes with his sharp teeth. He worked hard and finally cut through the net. Soon, the lion was free. Kindness is never wasted. From that day onward, the lion and the mouse became good friends. So, lessons from the story: no act of kindness is ever wasted. Even the smallest friend can be a great help. Vocabulary: mighty means very strong and powerful. Terrified means frightened. Generous means kind and willing to help. Trapped means unable to escape. Gratitude, a feeling of thankfulness. Never underestimate anyone because of their size or appearance. Now, here's a question for you. Why did the lion become free? Is it the hunter released him? Another lion helped him? The mouse chewed through the net? The wind broke the net? Thank you for listening. See you in the next English story.